So Range Rover Sport L460 model. So we've been working on this particular one, and we've done a number of the latest generation of Range Rovers, but in terms of the Sport, I think this is our first one. So customer wanted a refit of his camera from his previous Range Rover, so we've now just installed that into this particular one, and I'll just quickly show you what we've done in here. So we've got the rear camera obviously positioned in that area there, as you can see, and then obviously that is concealed through. Now on some of these, the tolerances here is a lot bigger, whereas unfortunately on this particular one we were unable to hide it 100%, but we've managed to obviously achieve part of that, just because I certainly don't want to be applying any pressure in between here and there, because this is bonded to the actual part itself. But unlike other companies, some will love to be able to loop it around this way, or some, and I don't know how they get away with it, would actually drill a hole into this to get the cable through. We certainly wouldn't do that and deface anything like that when we do an install here. And then battery packs are concealed underneath this false floor area. And then I'll just show you what the front camera looks like. Got the front camera just there. As you can see, the wires are just very concealed up into the binnacle area, just like so. I'll just give you a further distance view so you can sort of see what it looks like. So if you've got Blackvue camera, looking for a Blackvue camera, then please give us a call, and we'll be very happy to undertake the installation for you in the latest generation Range Rover and Range Rover Sport.